Welcome to this windy and chilly day here in Texas. Well, got the Bronco. I'm getting it going right now. I put some B&B in the charcoal basket, light it up right in the middle because I'm gonna go for not so much of a long burn. So what I like to do, I always like to put that rubber cube right in the middle. If I'm doing those long burns, I put it to the side so it can burn a lot slower that way. But what I got going today is a turkey breast, 8-pound turkey breast, bone in. So oh yeah, I'm ready for that. I'm excited for that. I'm gonna inject it and I'm gonna put some rub on it, some chicken rub from Salt Lick. Pretty good rub. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that, and you know, who knows how long it's gonna take. It's gonna go as long as it's gonna go, right? So I get that temperature, probably 165. I may pull it around a little after 160, but you know, we'll see, and then we'll just go from there. So yeah, so let's get to it. That's what it's looking so far. Not there yet, but I'm gonna let it get up to temp inside the Bronco. Yeah, just like that. So, and I'm gonna wait to put the wood chunks in whenever I get the turkey breast in. As usual, all the way. And let's get it about halfway between the 1 and the 2 for right now, and then more likely I'll drop it down because I want to get in a range of 275. If it goes 300, that's fine. We'll see how the weather holds up because it's pretty windy out here, but I might have a factor in controlling the Bronco, but we'll see. But for right now, that's what it is. So let's get to temp. I'm gonna trim it up. Right here, the extra skin right here. So like that. Yeah. It's a pretty looking turkey breast. I'm gonna pat it down some more, and then I'm gonna inject it. All right, let's get the other side. All right, so I'm gonna pat it down, get it dry, put some olive oil on it, and then I will season it. Yeah, there it is. Get some on this side. Looking good. Chicken rub. Yeah. All right, so that's good right there. And I'm gonna hook it and then place it on the Bronco. All right, I'm gonna get the wood chunks in. All right, so let's bring you up a little bit more. Let's see. Right there and right there. All right. Yeah, so that's what it looks like right there. Oh yeah. You see I hooked it from opening to where the wings would have been at. I was thinking about doing it from the back, but I was like, no, it's probably just gonna like lean over, you know, and I want it to sit upward. So yeah, that's how I have it. So let's get the last one, put it right there. Let's smoke, and let's close it up and let's go. Look at her smoke. Beautiful. Let's get that close up, that post oak. This is what it's all about. Just sitting back, relaxing, watching the Bronco do its thing. All right, let's see where it's at. Oh man, it's looking pretty good. Yeah. There you go. You can see a lot better. Looking pretty good. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna stick this probe in right there. Sitting at 79. You can't tell, but it's 79. So I'm gonna close it up and let's continue on. Look at that change of the weather. It's gotten windier, a lot cooler now. Looks like it's gonna drop below 60. Just here with the Bronco. Where are we at right now? At the breast, 111. So we're getting there. But yeah. Hopefully it keeps this way, especially on Thanksgiving Day, because if you know you're in Texas, it's really not too cold during the holidays. So it would be nice if it remains like this. It's nice. Hmm. 138 at the breast. Man, oh yeah. That is looking nice. Man. That is nice. Oh yeah. And if you're wondering, we're at the 2-hour mark. So we're getting there. We're getting there. Yeah. A little update right here. Get a close up. Man, look at that texture. All right, let's finish it off. I'm gonna baste it with some butter. Yeah. All right. Let's continue on and I'll baste it again. All right, let's baste one more time. As you can see, I added some sausage. And that is nice. Let's continue on. We're almost to the finish line. I've hit a 163 in the breast, so I'm gonna take it off and let it carry on while it's resting. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? Man, beautiful. Let's get a close up on it. Look at that texture, the color. Look at the sausage. Sausage is done too. Oh man. All right, so I'm gonna take it off, let it rest, and then we'll taste it. Hopefully it's juicy. Hopefully it has a lot of flavor. All right, I've let it rest for about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna slice into it. Man, doesn't it look at that. Beautiful. All right, there's that sausage. Man. All right, here it goes. Let's see. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh man. Oh shoot. Beautiful. So you get a good zoom on it. Yeah, that's what I like to see. Now let's taste it. All right, well, that was a fun cook, really fun cook. It took altogether 3 hours to do. So hey, every meat's different, right? Depending on what size, pounds of your meat is. This turkey breast was 8 pounds, so altogether 3 hours at 275. So yeah, that's where it was at. And you saw the process. Injected it, came out good with ejection. Butter at the end, basting it. Ooh yeah, you know, and I did put a probe in it to make sure that I wasn't going to overdo it, you know, get it right. But yeah, I mean, it looks good, smells good, but does it taste good? Here we go. Man. Oh yeah. Bomb. I gotta get me another one. Oh man. Oh, man. Oh shoot. That rub. Oh man. Oh, the spices in it. Oh my god, it's good. Wow. That Bronco, it did a fantastic job, fantastic job. Oh man. Not dry at all. This is one of the best cooks I've ever done, that Bronco. Oh man. But you know, that obviously that turkey breast already comes, you know, with solution and all that, you know, it's already rind and all that. But it helps with the injection, the butter at the end help flavor the skin. Oh man, it's good. It's bomb. And this is just a simple ass thing to do with that turkey breast. But it was good. Oh man, I want some more. I'm ready to tear into that sausage too. But hopefully you enjoy this video. If you do like it, you know, like and subscribe. I don't say that often, but you know, if you do subscribe, you got more videos coming. Don't worry, especially with that Bronco. That Bronco's a beast. But you know, as always, when you see this, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you have a great one. As always, folks, smoke on, everyone.